Oh, this is big.
Oh, I got it.
This is big. Please be a walleye. I doubt it, but it is a big walleye. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Livin' MN Outdoors. We're out here on beautiful Lake Winnibigoshish. We got here late last night and we didn't have time to film an intro, but we got lines in the water and we will let you guys see what we caught right now. Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
You like this one?
Let's eat it!
Get your fingers up.
First keeper walleye. Not the first walleye, but the first keeper. What do you think that is, probably?
14, 15 inches?
Eat her up for lunch.
Alright. We'll see you when we get some more fish.
Ooh, that's really taking it.
Ready?
Yep.
I'm ready.
Got him. Ooh, this feels really nice.
Ooh.
Do it. Really good.
Oh, here it comes.
That's really big. That's a pike, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, that's a big pike.
No, splash me.
Yeah, that's a big one.
It's about 11:30 at night. And yeah, after dark pike. So that's fun. Well guys, we're gonna shut the camera off, we're gonna get back in bed and we'll see if we get some more action. Well guys, the action doesn't stop. I still got my pike here and we got another bite on the rattle reel here. Take him, hon. Get him?
Yeah, just a little baby walleye.
Just a little tiny guy.
Really
Show the camera here quick.
Really tiny.
Get that one unhooked and then let's get him back.
Yep, there he goes.
Alright, we got some. Alright, one last look at that pike and then we're gonna let him go here. Whoa.
26 inches, right?
26 and a half.
Am I fishing?
And there he goes, just like that. All slimed up, stinky.
No.
Another tiny little walleye. Another little walleye there. We'll get him back. Get back to bed. Another little baby walleye. That's walleye number 6 now. We'll get him back and get back to bed. Guys, can you believe that? That little walleye just ate a sucker minnow. Ridiculous.
Get it?
Yep. This might be an eater.
Ooh, it's close. It's a little small,
A
but...
little bit too small. Another cute little walleye there. I think that is number 11 or 12 of the trip. Can see it's got the sucker minnow hanging out of its mouth there. We'll let him go. Itty bitty little walleye there. That's like a 7-incher. We'll get him back.
Take a picture of us.
Turn them around.
Other way, buddy. There he goes.
And swam around this one.
Do you need to bite one of them? Oh, this is big.
Oh, I got it.
This is big. Please be a walleye. I doubt it, but it is
Yep.
a big walleye.
Whoa. Holy buckets.
Like bigger.
Well, guys, that is a beautiful walleye. Early morning, it's about 7 o'clock. I got that on a fat head. That is gorgeous. I'll grab the bump board here. There is a slot on Lake Winnie. So, we'll probably have to put them back here. The slot is 18 to 23.
And he's just shy at 23.
Just shy of 23. So, we'll get some pictures of this one. And we'll get them released. So. Alright, well, we're gonna get this fish back. Get a nice clean release on him. Nice and healthy. Well, guys, we wrapped up our trip. We're back here in the driveway. We spent 4 days out on the ice. We had a great time hanging out with family, doing some ice fishing. We caught a bunch of walleyes, a bunch of perch. The weather was beautiful, so we got outside. The kids got to play in the snow. We had a blast, and we hope you guys are gonna enjoy the video we shot for you. If you guys could, like this video, subscribe to the channel, but if you guys aren't doing so, get on out there and get living.